Hello everybody, welcome back for phonics. Today, as it's Friday, we're going to remember back to all of the sounds that we've already done. So let's start by me revealing some of the sounds to you. What sound goes with this picture? That is S. Brilliant. All right, what about this one? Let's come to here. Ooh, what sound goes with this picture? It is ah. Well done. Lovely. Okay, what about this one? What about the yellow one? What sound goes with this picture? Very good. That one is t. Let me put t for you. There's t. Let's come to the green one. What goes with this picture? That one is p. Well done. P. There's p. Here we go, over to blue. What sound have we got here? Brilliant. Let me put I. I. Well done. Ready for the next one? What sound does this one make? Good. Make sure I can hear you. Well, that's funny. There's one going over school right now, an aeroplane. Let's get the pink one now. What sound do these make? Well done. And remember, we can write k in two different ways. We've got our caterpillar one and we've got our kicking one. Now on my computer, it hasn't got the loops, but that's okay. I could do one for you here. Down, back up for a loop and a kick. That's the right way to do it. And the last one. Tell me, what sound is this? It's eh. Well done, super. And I wonder how many of you made eggs for breakfast like me. Yummy, yummy. Eh. Super. Well, let's have a little look then. We're going to whiz through these letters and I'd like you to shout it out, please. Tell me which sound you can see as fast as you can. Try to beat me. Off you go. S. This one? Well done. Ah. This one? T. This one? I. This one? P. Good. This one? This one? K. This one? K. Good. So we had curly and kicking. This one? Super. It is eh. Well done if you got those. It would be good today if you could go through your flashcards or go through your tiles and make sure that you know our letters all the way up to eh. All right, it is time now for us to play the game of what am I talking about? But first, we need to know, what are these words? So here, this one is a tick. Can you say tick? Tick. Very good. This one is a net. Net. Here's the net. This one is a pen. A pen. This one is a cat. Cat. And the last one, we had this one last week. This one is sip. He's having just a little sip of orange juice or maybe passion juice. Yummy, yummy. So are you ready? I'm going to say one and you need to point to it. Where is the cat? Good. Where is the tick? Here it is. Where is the net? Have you got it? There's the net. Where is the pen? Here's the pen. And the last one, can you remember that word? That word is sip. Super. Let's play then. What am I talking about? Here's the first one. We're going to sound it out. Eh. What am I talking about? Maybe you've already got it. Point to it if you know. Net. It's the net. Okay. What we need to do now is it's your turn to sound out net. I'm going to do it first, and then it's your turn. Okay, your turn. Let's go. Well done. Should we check if we were right? Great sounding out, everybody. All right, are you ready for the next one? What am I talking about? Maybe you've already got it. If you haven't, listen again. Are you pointing to it? Sip. Sip. Very good. All right, your turn to sound out sip. I'll go first, and then it's over to you. Your turn. You try sounding out. Here we go. Did you get it? Well done. If you're not sure and you haven't got it yet, pause the video and have another go. There it is. Well done. Good sounding out. Here we go. What am I talking about? N. Do you know which it is? N. I think you know. Pen. Okay, your turn then. Try and sound out on your own. If you need to, pause the video and have a go now. All right, I'm going to try with you. You can watch me if you need help. Did you do it? Let's have a look. Here we go. Super job. Here we go then. Last one that we're going to do together. What am I talking about? Ick. Did you hear it already? Ick. Well done if you've got it. If you're not sure, let's have a look. Tick. Tick. We've got our special friends because we've got the curly k and the kicking k, and together they say just one sound. They're saying k. Okay, so let's sound out tick. You try on your own to sound out tick now. If you need to, you can pause the video. If you're not sure and you need help, watch me. Let's do it together. There it is. I know we can see two k sounds, but we're only going to say it once because they're special friends. T, I, k. Well done, everyone. Super sounding out. If that was a bit tricky, maybe go back and do it again with me. Because now it's your turn to play. What am I talking about? Make sure you sound out every word today. There's only 5. If you'd like to, you can pause on this screen or you can use the picture on our class dojo. Sound out each word like I, k, and build it with your flashcards or your tiles. When you've got your flashcards and your tiles in front of you, then it's time to write the words on a piece of paper. It's okay that we're copying today because you're the one that built the word from the flashcards. Well done, everyone. See you soon.